1 minute. Break a leg, everybody. Positions, please.
Check, check, hello? This on? Hello? Okay. A deer come to me right now about a parrots. Parrots, they are very interesting birds, very colorful birds. They talk, they repeat what they hear. A parrot repeat what he hears. It's a very interesting idea. I take this concept for game. I make a parrot character. Repeats what he hear from the player. So the player say something, the parrot repeat. It's a great idea for a game. I'm going to go pitch it to Michael. Right now, I'll be right back to tell the result from my pitch to Michael. And Michael said he don't like my idea. He don't like a parrot idea. He don't like it. It isn't my strongest idea. Give me a gun. Ow! Son of a bitch. He had taken my heart. Michael had taken my heart.